Well, good morning everybody. I am clearly not in Japan right now. As a matter of fact, I'm supposed to be in my hotel bed in Yokohama. That didn't happen. What did happen is about 12 hours before my flight was scheduled to take off, I got a call from the sponsor for the trip, and the trip was called off because of the coronavirus. As a matter of fact, they also called off the trip for Italy as well. So yes, I am disappointed. I absolutely love both those countries, but it is what it is. And I'll be honest with you, this is a welcome break. I have been working from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week for like the last month, and this is a very welcome break that I'm getting right now. And the good thing is, this whole thing where I'm down to just one episode a week, it's done. We're going back to 2 episodes a week. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video that I have for you guys today. And I want to thank all of my subscribers who stuck with me these last month and a half. That's been a very difficult period for me, but I'm back to my normal schedule. So enjoy this episode. I am going to go enjoy this hike. Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome to the channel. So if you like to travel and you want to know how to pay for that, hit that subscribe button, because this morning we are going to be taking some images that are more than likely going to sell very well on the stock photography market. We're in front of Arizona's Lake Powell, and hopefully we're going to catch a sunrise with that massive Navajo mountain behind us. So hit that subscribe button. Let's do this.
My brother and sister-in-law are joining me for the sunrise photo shoot. They came out to Arizona for the warmth that we enjoy in the winter. So I took them outside in 22-degree weather.
Since this is a morning photo shoot, we have got very dim lighting out here. So one of the key things, of course, is a tripod. And remember, either use your 2-second timer or get a cable release like this one so that you don't shake the camera. Your camera's going to keep its shutter open, in some cases up to about 30 seconds. So you want to make sure that you stay away from it while you're taking that exposure. Otherwise you're going to have a lot of streaking and it's just not going to look that great. So over on the horizon, I can see the first rays of the sun hitting the clouds down on the horizon. So we're going to go ahead and set up to do a pano. So when that sun gets close, we're ready to go. One of the things we're lacking up here is some type of a foreground element, because we are high up on this hill. So really the only foreground, so to speak, is the lake. And I was hoping again for more clouds so we get more color down there, but we're not. So again, we're just kind of in waiting mode. We're about 10 minutes from sunrise, so we'll see if we get any color in either the clouds out here or this more interesting cloud formation that's happening up here in Utah.
Unfortunately, color was just not happening without some clouds. To try and make a more dramatic image to sell, I played around a bit in Lightroom and created a brighter sky with much warmer colors. I promised myself last year, after filming in -6 degrees on the rim of the Grand Canyon, that I would get myself some heated gloves. As you can see, I've yet to do that.
So we're just a few minutes from sunrise. Just a little tip here. Watch for other photographers. We have vans full of tourists trying to get their Instagram images, and the problem we're having is they constantly are walking straight in front of the cameras, even looking at us, taking pictures, but still walking in front of the cameras. Completely oblivious. Alright, so we're about at sunrise. Let's see what kind of an image we can capture here. Looks like it's about to come above the horizon. So when you're in a great spot like this with 360-degree views, don't forget to look all the way around. The sun is hitting some cliffs with snow on them to our southwest, so we're going to try and capture those. I just had to kick my brother out of the picture. All right. Alright everybody, I think this is going to be it for this morning's photo shoot. The sun is up, I am frozen, and my brother and his wife are letting me know that they're ready to go get breakfast because they're sitting in the van. Well, except for my brother who's pacing back and forth. Letting me know it is time to go. So, you try and get in on this?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, here. This is my little brother, Jared, inspiring photographer. Okay everybody. Remember, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and remember, never stop exploring. See y'all next time. Can you tell on my picture?
Excuse me. That girl
Yeah.
did not even know Jay was talking to her, and she just kept
And
walking
she
in front
spoke
of him.
English.
She walked right in front of him. He's like, thank you. Okay. Trying to take a picture here.
Yeah. Well,